Purpose and uses of survey method. We have been discussing about survey method of research, and we should know that what are the common purposes and what are the common uses of survey method in research. So the purpose of a survey method is basically to describe what is, right? So in order to know the situation and to describe a particular situation, we should use a survey method, which is based on the opinions of others. Of course, there are some concerns about this methodology as well, but the basic thing is that we are approaching people who are the most knowledgeable people, right? So the question is that what is the situation, or what is the question which is described, which is answered using this kind of research, okay? And it is about assessing the magnitude of opinions, the experiences, and also the situation of a particular topic, which is explored, and then the magnitude of information regarding that particular topic is taken while using survey, right? So through the survey, it could be any kind of survey. It could be a survey questionnaire, it could be an interview survey, or it could be any other kind of survey. But the point is that magnitude of people's opinion, that is collected and that is taken while using this kind of research, okay? Survey method. Survey method is useful because at times we are required to make a decision and to plan something, right? So the guiding force, particularly when it is done in an ideal situation, when the decision makers, they need some researchers and they want to plan something. So the survey method is actually the guiding force behind that planning, right? So survey method can guide us to plan more effectively, more actively, more efficiently about a particular kind of situation, right? Because the topic which is surveyed through the responses of people, that's actually the people's voice, the people's ideas, and the situation is made clear just by using survey method or survey methodology of research, right? So that is something which is used as a guide for planning, and the purpose is to evaluate control activity. The control activity could be evaluated while using descriptive methods of survey research, right? Like it could be like the school survey, or it could be like a questionnaire survey, right? So could be any kind of descriptive or normative survey instrument, and it is evaluating. It is based on the evaluation of a control activity, right? So that's possible, and then and of course that's the major point involved, and the basic essence of the methodology is involved, that we want to know the community response, right? So we want to know the perception of the community, okay? And when you need the perception of the community, you are required to go for a survey methodology, the survey research, because the community is explored and it is asked through a survey. When you are concerned with human behavior, you want to know public opinion, you want to know the understanding of particular community about a particular situation, a particular topic, then survey method is the best possible research topic, right? And it is also based on the purpose of suggesting something. So you need to suggest something to the authorities, to the policy makers, and you want to test something. You may be testing some hypothesis. Like for example, if there is a cricket match going on, between Pakistan and India, and you want to take the survey of people, that how do people feel about it, about its possibility, or about the possibility of the winning, right? Or then the possibility of the situation, or any kind of the possible match, right? So that is possible when you survey, right? And it could be like another example that you want to survey, you want to know the people's attitude towards any upcoming elections, right? So which party, for example, people consider to be winning the forthcoming election, right? So that's another possibility which could be exemplified here while explaining that you want to test a hypothesis while using this research methodology, the survey kind of research.